AI is evolving fast, but most natural language query tools still stop at basic answers. What if your NLQ tool could do more? Understand context, connect systems, and take action? That's where Model Context Protocol, MCP, comes in, an open standard that acts as a universal bridge and connects AI to your data, tools, and business systems. With MCP, NLQ is no longer just about fetching answers. It becomes context-aware, dynamic, and action-oriented. With queries, trigger deeper analysis, combine multiple data sources, and adapt responses based on intent. That's the foundation. Now let's take it further. Introducing Lumenore Ask Me with MCP, a conversational AI layer built on this powerful foundation. Ask Me understands intent, automatically selects the right approach, and delivers insights as text, charts, or both. It can even bring in external market intelligence and perform multi-step analysis without manual intervention. From smarter queries to intelligent decisions, this is AI that truly works for you. Try Ask Me with MCP.